What is up, guys? Today in this video, I am going to be making my own. Uh, I'm going to make my own Kick a Lucky Block game, and as you can see, I'm in Roblox Studio, and we are going to be creating a fake version of Kick a Lucky Block. We're gonna make it look like the real version, but in reality, I'm gonna create my own version. All right. So first, we got the base plate, we got the spawn. Now, before we do anything else, let's just go to our private server and let's see how it looks like whenever we recreate it. All right, the map. This is what the map looks like. It looks like green, all green and stuff. So we're gonna replicate that in Roblox Studio. So wait, it's my first time using this. Actually, I don't know. Okay, first we're gonna go to for the tool. We're gonna go to toolbar. I don't know why I'm so laggy. Okay, first what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of this. First we're gonna add a par. So as you can see, I'm adding a par. We're gonna make this green, obviously, because the map is green. We're making this green. Can I make this green? Make it green. There we go. I made it green. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this green is not greening, okay? I need like a light green. All right, there you go. It might not be the best green ever. And we're gonna make this bad boy. Let's see. What do we do make it? That looks ugly. We're just making it ground, okay? Yeah, this is gonna be the Temu version. Okay, we're gonna make it ground, and we're gonna make it bigger like this. We can put this checkpoint over here. Wait, we're gonna make it transparent after, but we're gonna move this out the side because we don't need that. All right, let's put this right here, and then we can expand it all the way up. And once we do this, okay, we're gonna do that and make sure this is a little bit upwards. We can't. I don't know what to do, guys. We're gonna make the map like a little bit like this. This is gonna be the Kick a Lucky Block map. So since I have the map, now obviously all we have to do is make the walls. So you might be asking yourself, how are you going to do that? Well, basically, look at this. This part, we need to duplicate this because it's not anchored. Obviously, we got to make it anchored. We're going to duplicate this. We're going to make the walls. All right, let's go over here. Find the brown. Okay, guys, I feel like this is just the best brown we can do. So we're going to leave it like that. Oh yeah, leave it like that, and then make sure the text is going to be, make sure the texture, you know what texture is going to be like. Maybe we can just make it like leather or something. Yeah, like that. That's going to be perfect. And once we did that, we're going to move this thing. We're going to obviously duplicate this bad boy, drag it all the way over here. Now, the only thing I don't like about this is we're going to go to lighting. And in order to get rid of the shadows, we're going to make sure it's global. Put it like that, and then do that. And we're going to even paste it again. Okay, I got to put this right here. Okay, that's perfect. Right now, I'm going to put that right here. All right, we're going to put this right over here. And guys, look at the map. Comment down below if it's a W, all right now. Look at this. If we replicate it like this, does it look the same, guys? Okay, since we did like the map and stuff, we're gonna try to make the base, and we're obviously not gonna build the whole thing because that's literally gonna take forever. So hey, I found the idol. It's a base. It's called Escape Base for Tsunami. That's perfect. Let's go. All right, I got the base right here. Now, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna duplicate the bases. So as you can see, I got the base right over here. So let's put this right over here, and let's go ahead and just rotate it like this. And this is going to be for the Kick a Lucky Block. We're obviously going to duplicate these. Can even make it our own custom base. We're gonna obviously have 4 of them because it's gonna be aligned, as you can see. Gonna place the 4 of these. Alright, we got 4 of these bases. Look at that, guys. Now, obviously, I don't even know if these work. I'm not 100% honest if this works. I didn't even script any of these. But look at the bases. Okay, let me replicate for clicking over here. Does it look the same, guys? Alright, so since we have the full entire base, the map, you know what we're missing? Okay, so basically we're gonna put this wall over here. Yeah, it definitely looks accurate. As you can see, so as you can see, over here where my cursor is, this is going to be where you kick the lucky blocks. Now, this is not my best, so don't judge me, guys. But first we are going to obviously duplicate this area again, because we got to make sure it's like the area for the kicking part. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, let me just zoom in. All right, we're gonna make it. Okay, so all right, so this part. Wait, let me see. What does it look like? Okay, it looks like the line is like that way. Let me put it right here. Okay, so look at this. It looks like this part we have, as you can see, it's for like the part where you have to kick the lucky blocks. Obviously, using this for my all count. Look, I'm moving it over here this way. I'm gonna create my own version, as you can see. Does it look accurate? I'm not gonna lie, it does maybe kind of look accurate, but it looks chopped at the same time. And obviously, guys, look at this, guys. If we go to the toolbox, we're gonna actually type in add text. We're gonna put a text. If we place this right here, like that, like that, obviously, and I'm gonna scale it. Make sure it's big enough for people to see that. We're gonna exit this out, and we are going to be we're gonna obviously let's name it. Okay, wait. In order to name it, we gotta put like this. We gotta have the emoji for it, but I'm gonna put safe zone. This is not gonna be published because I don't even know how to script. Yeah, so this is not actually gonna be published. I'm just doing this for fun, for entertainment, guys. Okay. So yeah. So don't be surprised and say, "Yo, can I like play this game? Does it actually work? You see me the link? No, it doesn't work. Okay, this is just for fun. I'm not gonna actually create this. All right, and publish it to Roblox because look how chopped this is. This is just only for fun and entertainment. So sorry guys if you guys want to play this game, but no. All right. Anyways, look at the background. So it looks like the whole map. It looks like this is a tree. We gotta put some trees in here. So let's go ahead and go to the toolbox and search up trees. Okay, looks like we got a bunch of trees, but I want low poly trees. Sorry for burping. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Just to make sure it's 100% anchored, I gotta click that because I want to make it anchored as possible. All right, look at this, guys. Look at this. The trees don't look the same. Yeah, they definitely do not look like the same. And it looks like there's like a pond that I gotta insert. We're gonna add a bunch of trees, and after that, we're gonna put a pond. Okay, we're gonna search a pond. Oh my! I'm gonna duplicate both of these trees, and look, I'm duplicating these, and I'm not gonna put them in the exact angle, and I kind of want to rotate these. So look at this. I got these trees. We're gonna rotate them like this way. Is it floating? Wait. Okay, it's not floating. I thought for a second it looked like it flowed because yeah, guys. I'm not doing the animations. Guys, keep in mind I'm not gonna do the scripting part because I don't even know how to script. Don't call me an expert Roblox developer because I'm not really that one of those. And yeah, okay. We're just creating the map. That's all because the only thing I know how to do in Roblox Studio is obviously create things, and obviously I'm doing that right now. So okay, so as you can see, this part. So look at this. So this part you see right over here. This part is gonna be the It's gonna be the common area. Wait, let me go to models. This is so dumb, bro. Okay, the pond thing did not work, but this part okay. This wait, let me click on this. Drag this. Gotta make it as real as possible. Obviously, make sure this is like you're gonna make this blue. So the reason why we're gonna make it blue is because it's for the pond. Whenever you pass the pond, it means like you are at the next area. Okay, so let's color this. Wait, what should we color it? We gotta color it blue. Wait, okay, what blue? Wait, this is too blue. Okay, we're gonna color it light blue because that's like what a pond is. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, it looks like the pond, but we're not gonna change the texture obviously because it obviously just looks the same. Like, look at this, guys. You can't tell me this is not a pond. So yeah, guys. So as you can see, this is the pond right here. This is okay. So this part, all right, wait. Before I say anything, I'm gonna shut up. All right, as you can see, so guys, this part right over here, you see this area. So this part is the common area, and as you can see, we're in the rare area. This is the rare area. This is the common area. This is the rare area. All right. And I don't know why this tree is here. We're gonna make the rare area like a little bit, like a little bit small, like that. And guys, you might be asking yourself, what's after rare? Well, basically, we're not gonna make it the whole thing. This is my own custom map, so let's make it juicy. Okay, so once we're done with the full entire map, guys, I'm gonna be adding some crazy stuff. So make sure to stick around for that. Anyways, let's create this. We're gonna make sure we're gonna instead of making it the pond maybe like blue or stuff, we're gonna make it yellow. All right. And you might be asking yourself, what area? What not area? I'm gonna stop saying area. I'm gonna say zone. What zone is this gonna be? Well, basically, this zone is gonna be the Enzo zone. All right. So yeah, guys. In Kick a Lucky Block, I'm gonna be adding an Enzo zone in this modded, not modded, but in my own version of Kick a Lucky Block. So if I want to do this, I go to text. I'm gonna search up. I'm gonna no search up. I'm gonna type in Enzo zone, and I'm gonna type in special brain rots you can get. Gotta make sure this is capitalized. This is my own zone, guys, and as you can see, I'm gonna put some crazy brain rots on here. But first, we're gonna make sure we're gonna make the trees a little bit crazier. If we go over here and go to the real game of Kick a Lucky Block, this is the way shop. So this part is going to be this. As you can see, this part is the way shop. As you can see, it's gonna be the way, and this is gonna be the run speed. All right, so this is the run speed. So let me grab this text, and I'm gonna rotate it like this way, so y'all can see. Okay, so since it's the run upgrade, this is gonna be the weight upgrade, and to make it look like a weight upgrade, So to make it actually a weight upgrade, we're gonna search up a bunch of weights over here. To make it look like whenever the players join, even though it's not real, I'm not gonna publish it. We're gonna make it look like this is the weight shop because there's weights over here. So yeah, it makes sense. And speed upgrade. Now you guys might be asking, how are you gonna put the speed upgrade? Well, speed. Yeah, this one's way more nicer, guys. Look at this. We got the speed pads. Look at these guys. So whenever you run into the shop, or if you want to upgrade your speed in this game, all you have is a speed pad. As you can see, look, okay, look, I haven't touched the game yet, so I'm gonna actually do that right now. So we are obviously going. Wait, this is annoying. This spawn thingy is annoying because it's not trans. So as you see, we are in the Kick Lucky Block game that I just made. And look at this. We got the weight shop. As you can see, we got a weight shop. And can we even talk to this guy? No. Yeah, obviously not. And we got even the kick area. And we even got a bunch of bases right here. We even got the run speed. No, the run shop. And if we step on this, we can go so fast. And look at this. We got the rare area. Look, we got a lot of work to do, guys. So first, what we're gonna do in this Enzo zone that I just created, we're gonna obviously put brain rots because this whole entire time we haven't not put brain rots. All right, we're gonna put brain rots. All right, so let's put brain rots. So let's put a bunch of brain rots. So as you can see, we have a bunch of brain rots. Look at that. We got the full clan of everybody. Okay, this is a lot. Okay, wait. This is a lot. Okay, this is a lot. All right, we're gonna delete some of these, but some of them we're gonna keep. I feel like all these brain rots are from Steal a Brain Rot, but they're gonna be from Kick a Lucky Block because we're making our own Kick a Lucky Block game. Yeah, look at this. Oh my god, bro. Why do I have a bunch of these weird ones? Okay, look at these. So as you can see, look at this, guys. In this area, in my Enzo zone, as you can see, we have a bunch of these brain rots. As you can see, you can collect from my zone. And yeah, guys, I don't want to build the whole thing because I feel like that's gonna be too much. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna duplicate this, and this is the end of the area. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be the end of the area. I think we're missing. Okay, wait, guys, I just realized. You see these brain rots that I just mentioned, guys? If you didn't watch the last video, played the update, and they added some new brain rots, which is the Yes My Exam, the Lucky Kiki, the Job Sahur. So this part is going to be the part where we're gonna obviously add stuff over here. Yeah, we're gonna do that. But first, I'm gonna move this weight. I'm not gonna do anything bad. Okay, guys, chill out. Gonna move it like that way. Okay, so this part we're gonna add some podiums. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add like a part. Okay, we're gonna make the brainrots like the same thing. We're gonna put job Sahur. If we go to the toolbox, I'm gonna search up job Sahur. All right, so let's duplicate this. Wait. Let's duplicate this. This is gonna be the kicky one. So guys, if you guys don't know, I'm gonna search up leg. Now, if you guys don't know, this is they added a new kicky, lucky kicky, and this is what it looks like. So it's gonna be a cursed version of it. Watch. This is for the kicky, guys. For the lucky kicky, lucky kick, the lucky kick brainrot, and we even go put yes, my examine, boy. And look at this, we got Dragon Cannelloni. This is in this base. All right, put this right here. We're gonna even rotate that bad boy. So let me click off this. So yeah, guys, look at this. We got 3 of these brainrots. As you can see, these 3 brainrots. Wait, let me go. Okay, we're gonna click play. What the heck is this? Model phrase error, bro. Oh my god, what happened, bro? Guys, looks like you can't play the real game. Okay. Anyways, look at this. We got it doesn't even matter if it doesn't even matter if we can't join the game because it doesn't work for some reason. I don't even know why it doesn't work. So, anyways, we look at this. We got these 3 podiums, and as you can see, we got Dragon Cannelloni, we got Jive Judges Horror, we got these we got kick, we got kick lucky, we got kick lucky. Okay, we got lucky kicky, we got lucky kick. As you can see, we got weight shop upgrade and we got run upgrade. So I don't think there's anything else we need except for the leaderboard players. We're gonna actually add that. Okay, so as you can see, we're gonna go to Cool Bars and we're gonna go leaderboards. We're gonna be adding. Wait, guys, I've just realized. You know, the most important thing we need. This game is about like kick a lucky block. It's about like kicking like blocks. So we gotta add a lucky block to this game because it's the title of the game. It's called Kick a Lucky Block. So we're gonna just put him a random lucky block. We're gonna put this, as you can see, we're gonna put this yellow lucky block. If you want to kick lucky block to kick, it doesn't work. It's because of these brainrots. Oh my god, I gotta delete these. Okay, I deleted them. Maybe it does work. Wait, let me retry. Let me try. It doesn't work. Oh my god, bro. This is annoying. Alright, okay, whatever. I guess it doesn't work anyways, bro. Alright, look at this. Alright, this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, guys.